Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're job hunting in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set up job alerts on the LinkedIn app. This feature is a game changer because it sends you notifications for jobs that match your skills and interests, saving you tons of time scrolling. Whether you're a fresh grad or switching careers, this is super easy and effective. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the latest LinkedIn app installed on your phone. Open it up and log in with your account. Once you're in, head to the Jobs tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a briefcase icon. This is your gateway to all the opportunities out there. Next, use the search bar at the top to type in keywords related to the jobs you're interested in, like software engineer or marketing specialist. Don't forget to apply filters. Tap on the filter icon to narrow down results by location, experience level, or company type. For 2025, LinkedIn has made this even smarter with AI suggestions, so take advantage of those. Now, for the fun part, setting up alerts. After running your search, look for the Create Alert button, often found at the top of the results page. Tap it, and you'll be prompted to customize your alert. Enter specific keywords, select your preferred job types, and choose how often you want notifications, daily, weekly, or as they come in. Make sure to enable push notifications in your app settings so you don't miss a beat. Once you're done, hit Save, and voila! Your job alert is active. You can always go back to the Jobs tab and manage your alerts by tapping on the three dots next to them to edit or delete. Pro tip: keep your profile updated to increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. There you have it, folks. Setting up job alerts on LinkedIn is straightforward and will keep you one step ahead in your career journey. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.